So on that day, how much we covered? Any idea? What we were studying on that covalent bond? I think we were studying that is completed.
Covalent bonds, sir.
Covalent bond
Yeah, we
completed.
completed. You had to show different types.
Okay, now let us go for the ionic bond. Any
Yes.
idea about the ionic bond, Janab? Or any idea about ionic bond?
No, sir.
Ionic bond, that is also known as electrovalent bond. This is also known as electrovalent bond. Okay, electrovalent bond. Okay, or that is one more name is there, Coulombic, Coulomb, Coulombic force of attraction. Force
Yes,
of
sir.
attraction. Okay, so there are so many names are there for the ionic bond. Okay,
Yes, sir.
electrostatic force of attraction, Coulombic force of attraction, so many names are there. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
if you talk about this one, what do you mean by ionic bond? Okay, if you talk about the ionic bond, so as like covalent bond was formed by sharing of electron. Yes, yeah, no. Covalent bond was
Yes, sir.
formed by sharing of electron. Here, ionic bonds are formed by transfer of electron. So here I'm asking the bond which is formed by, they are saying the bond which is formed by, how it is going to form? Formed by complete transfer of electron. You can see complete transfer of electron, complete transfer of electron, transfer of electron from, there is from complete transfer of electron from metals to non-metal, from metals to non-metal. Okay, metal to non-metals are known
Yes, sir.
as, what you are going to say, are known as what? Are known as ionic bond. Okay,
Yes,
ionic
sir.
bond. Okay, so that's the point which we have to keep in mind. What that is, here is complete transfer of electron is there. You see, the bond which is formed by complete transfer of electron from metals to non-metals are known as ionic bond. Okay, now, okay, note is what is there, the note, this bond is also formed, this bond is also formed for what? This bond is also formed to complete octet or duplet. Okay, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Example, you can see, like example, if you are talking NaCl, KCl, okay, metal and non-metal required, KBr,
Yes, sir.
okay, LiCl, okay, MgCl2, okay, CaCl2, okay, AlCl3, MgO, CaO, etc. So many example will comes here.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I'm going for the next one. Here you see, here if you talk about this one, I'm taking one example, explanation of ionic bond formation in ionic bond formation in what, that is NaCl. So
Yes, sir.
NaCl, it is having one is sodium is metal and chloride is Cl is the non-metal. So that is between metal and non-metal ionic bond form. So if you talk about sodium, sodium is 11. Configuration how much will come? 2, 8, 1. If you talk about Cl, Cl is 17. So here is 2, 8, 7. If you talk about this
Yes,
one,
sir.
so sodium is Na have one electron more than octet, one electron more than octet. Yes, yeah, no, more
Yes,
than
sir.
okay, octet. If you talk about this one Cl, Cl have, okay, one electron less than octet, one electron less than octet. Yes, yeah, no,
Yes, sir.
because if you see, here is one is there, here is 8. If it will lose one electron, so it will be 8 is left. If it will give one electron, it will become the what? It will become the octet. So sodium, how many dot it will take sodium? Dot is equal to number of valence electron. So number of dot is equal to what? Number of valence electron. Number of dot is equal to number of valence electron. So how many dot it is going to get? Tell me. How many dot will come on sodium?
Sir, 11.
No, only one valence electron here now.
One dot electron. Yeah, sorry, sir.
So here is going to be 1. How many dot will come for the chlorine? Chlorine. How many dot?
Sir, 7.
7. Thank you. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here configuration is 2, 8, 7. Here is 2, 8, 1. Right. Now this electron is supposed to transfer here. So you see what is going to form. One electron transferred, so Na plus. One electron gain means Cl minus. Now one electron loss means that is 2 and 8. Here is what 2 comma 8 comma 8.
8, 8.
So
Yes.
that is what both completed stable octet. Both completed what they completed? Completed stable octet. Both completed stable octet. Okay. Okay. Now you can see plus and minus signs are there. So that is ionic bond completed to form ionic bond. Okay. To form ionic bond. Ionic bond as ions are formed. As ions are formed. Can you understand this?
Sir.
Okay. Can you make a note of it, Janab? Can you write
Yes,
down this?
sir.
अरे YouTube पे डाल दो फ्री फ्री हो जाएगी.
Done? Done, done Janab?
No, sir.
Okay. Done?
Sir, done.
Okay, this side also little bit is there, this one. Also, please write down a little fast. Completed? Janab, completed?
Oh, sir. Last part, sir. Yeah, done.
Okay. So this is the ionic bond. Now, if I will ask you one problem, so you give me explanation. How can you prove? How can you? This is the question. How can you say that? How can you say that MgO have MgO have ionic bond? MgO have ionic bond. How
I
can
have
you?
one.
Hmm,
Okay, sir. Wait,
hmm,
I know.
hmm.
Magnesium has how many atoms?
12, 12,
12 atoms, and oxygen has
8.
6 atoms, 8
Hmm,
atoms.
hmm,
So, sir, 2, 8, 2.
Thank you.
Over here, 2, comma 6.
Hmm,
So, sir, over here, magnesium will have 2 electrons, and
hmm,
oxygen will have 6 electrons.
hmm, hmm,
And oxygen has the capacity to gain 2
hmm,
electrons.
hmm,
So, sir, means like 2 electrons will shift here.
hmm,
Magnesium 2 electrons will shift in oxygen. So,
hmm.
yeah, sir.
That is transfer. So we can write here that is
Yeah,
Mg,
it
that is
transfers
2 dot,
electrons.
and
MgO
oxygen is 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. So one electron
Yeah,
is
or that
transferred here.
magnesium they will transfer in oxygen.
Yes. So here is it will going to be the Mg2 plus, and here
Mg2
is
plus.
O2 minus.
O2 minus.
So
Yes, sir.
here is the
This
configuration
both
become
will
2,
cancel.
8.
It will go Mg,
Hmm.
MgO.
Yes, yes. Here is
Yes, sir.
configuration was 282. Here is it was 6.
282,
After transfer,
286, 26.
so this is going to be what? Stable octet. This is what is
Yes,
stable
sir.
octet. Can you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I change the page or you want to write this?
Sir, I'll note down.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is all about the that is ionic bond. Okay, one point
Yes,
is
sir.
there, that is the difference between ionic and covalent bond. Here we are going to discuss. So here we are talking about, here suppose I am taking the ionic bond. Okay, here I am taking that is covalent bond. Okay, so some difference are there, very small points are there. So if you talk about the ionic bond formed by, this is the formed by complete transfer of electron. Here what they are saying, complete transfer of electron from metal to non-metal, from metal to metal to non-metal,
Orbital.
non-metal. This is the first point. Here you can come out to be this one, formed by, this is what they are saying, formed by sharing of electron. Here they are saying formed by sharing of electron between two non-metal, between two non-metal. Is it okay? Two
Yes,
non-metal.
sir.
Okay. Like if you are writing the example like that, is Cl2 is there, H2 is there, O2 is there, N2 is there, okay, etc. But here example, what they are, metal and non-metal, NaCl, KCl, MgO, these are point number two. In here, that is uh, here in ionic bond, in ionic bond ionic bond, both the element both the elements both the elements are differ in electronegativity, differ in electronegativity. So one is metal, another is non-metal, right? So they must have the electronegativity difference. Here in this one, they have generally no difference. Here you can write no difference. Why there is no difference? Because atom is same, na, same atom is there. Here you can same atom,
Yes, sir.
or little difference, or they are saying or little difference. Okay, now little difference. Here if you are going third point, it is strongest bond. Ionic bond if you talk about, so what you can write, it is strongest bond, it is strongest bond. No, if you are talking about ionic bond, so what you are going to find, it is strongest bond, strongest bond. If you are talking about this one, it is relatively what, weaker bond, relatively what, it is going to be weaker bond, relatively weaker bond. Can you be able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Some more point are there, like in the ionic melting point, boiling point, all will be high because the bond is strong. Where the covalent, if you are going, so melting and boiling point will be little less. Will you write this one?
Yes, sir.
Done.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Done, Zainab?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, these are the important point which I taught. Other point also you can read out. Okay, very, very small point.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Now the next point you are going, that is coordinate bond. Okay, this is what the special type of bond, that is what called coordinate bond, right? This is the coordinate bond.
Yes.
Okay, or that is also known as, this is also known as dative bond. Coordinate bond is also known as dative bond. Okay, here you see the, okay, bond, the bond which is, they are saying the bond which is formed by, they are saying the bond which is formed by, okay, sharing of, the bond which is formed by sharing of lone pair electron, lone pair, okay, lone pair means two electron, okay, lone pair electrons by only one atom, by only one atom, lone pair electron by only one atom is known as coordinate bond. This is known as coordinate bond. Okay, it is represented by, it is represented by, how you are going to represent, it is represented by arrow. You are going to represent this by arrow. Okay, so you need to understand. Okay, ordinate,
Yes, sir.
coordinate means sharing of electron. How many electron? Lone pair electron by only one atom. Example, here example is H2O2. Another example, NH3 dash BF3. Okay, NH4 plus, NH4 plus. Next one, H3O plus. They are having the, what kind of bond are there? Example 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me try to explain you. Okay, so explanation of EXPLANAT, explanation of coordinate bond in, coordinate bond in, coordinate bond in which one? H2O2. H2O2 in name is hydrogen peroxide. So let us try to. Hydrogen are there. How many hydrogen? Two hydrogen. Oxygen, how many are there? Okay, two oxygen. So here atomic number one. So one. Here is atomic number one. Here is 8. So it is going to be 2 and 6. Here is again going to be 8, 2 comma 6. One electron less than duplet. One electron less than duplet. Yes, yeah, no? Less than
Yes,
duplet.
sir.
Okay, good. What about here? It is also one electron less than duplet. Yes, yeah, no? Less than
Yes, sir.
duplet. Here is two electron less than octet. Two electron less than octet. Yes, yeah, no? And it
Yes,
is
sir.
also two electron less than octet. So what they are going to do?
Yes.
What they are? See, oxygen, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. So one electron, here is one electron. Oxygen, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? So here they are
Yes,
going to
sir.
complete what? They are going to complete duplet. This is also going to complete duplet. And here you see it is oxygen is going to complete how? Octet. See? So oxygen is octet, yes, and 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. 8 electron. Another oxygen is there. It is having how many electron? That is 6 electron. So how it is going to complete? It is going to complete this way. Okay. Now these second oxygen do not share its electron. All 6 are there. These 2 electron belong to first oxygen. So this both the electron, here I am writing, both the electron belongs to, both the electron belongs to, belongs to same atom. Both the electron belongs to same atom. Now you make this one. How you can make? Here is oxygen, here is going to be hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and here since both the electrons share by only one atom, so oxygen. So this bond is going to be what? This is going to be coordinate bond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you please here also octet completed? So this is the
Yes, sir.
octet. Here is octet. Here is also going to be octet. And these are the, here hydrogen is completing the duplet. Yes or no? Tell me. Are you be able to
Yes, sir.
understand? Are you be able to understand
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can you please make a note of it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. यहाँ सा धीरे धीरे बात करो. Completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. This page, if you can draw this one, that is also important one.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us try to explain one more example of coordinate bond.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Which one you want? That
yes
is
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Anyone you can ask which one I should tell.
Yes, sir.
Which
Wait, sir.
one?
I'll say
Huh.
H2O2.
H2O2 over na this page. H2O2 over na.
Yes.
This is the H2O2.
Wait, sir. I'll say
Hmm.
NH4.
NH4 plus. Let us try to understand.
Yes.
NH4 plus. See.
This is a bit confusing.
Little bit. Very little bit. NH4 plus. See. What is this much meaning of this one? So this is made up of what? NH3 plus H plus.
Yes, sir.
So it is forming, that is NH4 plus. Right, this is forming like that. Now you need to understand here, that is nitrogen is there 7. So 2 comma 5. A hydrogen, how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen, 1 H plus is there. So 1 electron are there each hydrogen, and here is no electron, 0 electron. So here is 0 electron. Here is 1 electron. This way 1 electron. This place 1 electron. Now you see how many 3 electron required to octet, required for octet. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
For
Yes.
these 3 atom, if you can see, for these 3 atom, how many electron? 1 1 1 comma 1 comma 1 electron required for duplet. Required for what? Duplet. Yes, yeah, no. And for this one, how many electron required? 0 is there. So 2 electron required for duplet. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
So see what they are going to do. What they are going to do. Nitrogen, you see, 5 dot 1 2 3 4 5. 3 hydrogen are there, 1 2 3, and 1 H plus is there, H plus. So here hydrogen is having 1 electron, here hydrogen is 1 electron, here hydrogen 1 electron. So they are going to complete the duplet. You can see duplet they are completing. Here also it is going to
Yes,
complete
sir.
duplet. This is also going to complete duplet. But what about the nitrogen? You can see nitrogen is going to complete here octet. You can see this one, how they are going to complete the octet. So here octet 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. 8 electron is there.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, no. What about this one? This is going to complete the duplet. But how? This both electron belongs to what atom? Both electron belongs to, both electron belongs to nitrogen.
Mm.
So how can
Sir,
you do?
can you explain once more, please?
You can see here. So nitrogen, here 2 electrons here. So this is hydrogen H plus, and here is hydrogen. This way hydrogen, this way hydrogen. So this is going to be what? This is which bond? Going to be coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Wait, let me
Coordinate.
write down.
Hmm. Okay. You draw for 1 second. Completed, Janab?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase?
Done.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Now, see, this is the over. Now we are going for the theory behind. We are going to study theory behind,
Very
BEHY and behind formation of covalent bond. Theory behind formation of covalent bond.
Sir, covalent bond is different, ionic bond is different. Now, so sir,
Yes,
in this chapter, covalent bond only or ionic bond also?
ionic bond is less in a number, less in the means that much detail is not there for ionic bond. Covalent bond is there in very much detail.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Ionic bond is not that much detail. So theory behind formation of covalent bond. So first theory we are going to study the valence bond theory, VBT. That is called, that is valence, okay, bond theory. This is called valence bond theory. Okay. Second one is also is there MOT theory. That is called molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory.
Orbital.
Molecular orbital theory. Next one is one more is there. Third one, BSEPR theory. BSEPR theory. These all are there in the syllabus. BSEPR theory. This is called valence cell. This is called valence cell electron pair repulsion theory. Electron pair repulsion theory. I know repulsion theory. This is very long. Last one concept is there. Fourth one is hybridization. Hybridization. So it will take 2 days to complete. This is the hybridization, right? So these much things we have to study. So can I am writing on the different page. Can you please make a write down the name of this one at least? Make a name quick.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
Hmm. Wait. Okay, we are supposed to study valence bond theory. Okay, VBT theory.
Yes, sir.
Okay, VBT theory. This is called valence bond theory. Valence bond theory. We are going to study the valence bond theory.
Valence
Okay.
bond theory.
So how the valence bond theory explain this all the things? Let us try to understand here. They are saying
Yes, sir.
covalent bond is. They are saying covalent bond is formed by. Covalent bond is formed by overlapping of orbital. Overlapping of orbital. Overlapping of orbital. Okay. Covalent bond is formed by overlapping of orbital. Second point. If head to head, head to head, if head to head overlapping, head to head overlapping takes place, if head to head overlapping takes place, then sigma bond form. Then which bond form? Then sigma bond formed. Okay. Second point. What the second point they are saying? If side by side, okay. Example they have said. Here you can write the example also. Suppose SSO. Okay. Here. Let me write the second one. Second one firstly. If side by side, they are saying if side by side overlapping takes place, side by side overlapping takes place, then pi bond form, then pi bond formed. Then which bond is going to form? Pi bond is going to be formed. Now let's go for this one. Okay. So types of overlapping. What they are saying? Types of overlapping. Types of overlapping. They are saying. So if you talk about types of overlapping, first one is SS overlapping. SS overlapping. So if you talk about SS overlapping, it means S orbital. S orbital means spherical shape. Again, one more S orbital will be there. Okay. So here again we are writing what? That is going to be here. So that is this is
Yes,
going
sir.
to be S orbital. Here is also
Yes, sir.
going to be S orbital. So what going to be this? This is the overlapping. So here S orbital and it is also going to overlap S orbital. So it is going to form what kind of bond is going to form? That is sigma bond is going to form. So this is called that is SS overlapping. SS overlapping. This is called SS overlapping. Right. Now, second one is SP overlapping. Here we are going SP overlapping. Here you see SP overlapping. SP overlapping, if you talk about SP overlapping, so how can you be able to understand SP overlapping? So here is there, this is the S orbital. Okay, this is the S orbital. Now again you can see this is the P orbital. P orbital, you know very well, dumbbell shape is there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so P orbital, if you see that is dumbbell shape, but this overlapping is resulting that is sigma bond. This is the sigma bond. Here you see this is head to head overlapping is going to be. So here is the S orbital. This is going to be the, this is the P orbital. So here is what is this is called S, or this is the P orbital. Okay, dumbbell shape P orbital. So that is called
Okay, sir.
SP overlapping. Now if you talk about SP overlapping, this is also head to head. So it is also result in sigma bond formation. Now, third one, P, okay. Here if you are going that is PX overlapping. So if you are going PS overlapping, so what is going to be C? So this is suppose that is PX orbital. Again, one more orbital is there. This is again going to be PX orbital. So what they are going to form? They are going to form again sigma bond. See, head to head overlapping. This is also called PP overlapping. So head to head overlapping is there. So again, it is resulting in sigma bond
Yes,
formation.
sir.
And this is what PP overlapping. PP overlapping. Last one, let us try to understand. Last one. So that is next one is P pi overlap. P pi overlapping. So if you talk about P pi overlapping, so it result in pi bond formation, pi bond form, pi bond form. Why pi bond form? See, py or orbital is like this. Okay, y axis. So here also you can say this is y axis. So this is py, this is py. Both are the py orbital. This is also py orbital. Now they are going to combine. So how they are going to combine? You can see the overlapping. Okay. So here they are lateral side by overlapping. Yes or no? This is side overlapping. So this side overlapping is what is known as that is pi bond. Okay, pi bond. So these are all about the valence bond theory. So how they are dealing, that is how the bond is being formed. They are by overlapping of orbital. Earlier we are saying that is sharing of electron or transfer of electron. How valence bond orbit theory is saying that is bond is formed by sharing of or overlapping of orbital. So please make a note of it if you don't mind. Can you write down this one? Can you write down this one?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Hmm. Writing?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Done.
Okay, this one more page is there that you also please draw this one. So I will explain again to you. Otherwise, I will share the video to you. Can you check
Yes,
that
sir.
one? I already shared the that one link to you. But again, I will separate that one balance bond theory and I'll share you. I think this disconnected. Sorry, disconnected.
Sir, I wrote that.
You wrote.
Yes.
Okay, for pi bond you didn't wrote. I think pi bond. For pi bond you didn't wrote. For pi bond. Pi bond what was there? Like that py orbital is there, and again py
Yes.
orbital. So that is pi bond is forming. Pi bond. Why pi bond? That is side by side overlapping. Side by side overlapping. I know overlapping. So here you see this is the py orbital, a
Yes,
y-axis.
sir.
So again, if you are adding, this is going to be again py orbital. So this is py, this is py. Bring closure. So what will happen here? They are going to join here. So they are going to join like this.
Yes, sir.
So it is joining here. So this is side by side overlapping now. So since side by side
Yes.
overlapping result in the pi bond formation. Pi bond.
I want from.
Hmm. So
Okay. So, sir, sigma bond formation.
sigma head to head overlapping na. Already you drawn like that head
Okay.
to this one.
Okay, that's sigma bond.
This is sigma bond.
Means like side to side is
Pi bond.
pi bond.
Uh,
Okay, sir.
head to head means sigma bond. We have to explain
So,
with the
sir, there was a difference between them. Can you explain by like tabular format?
yeah, sure. Hmm. So can I erase this one?
1 second, sir.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
Okay. So you are saying to explain the difference. Okay. So
Yes,
let us
sir.
see. Here is the difference we are writing. Here, if you are going, this is the sigma bond. Here is sigma bond. And this is
Yes.
going to be pi bond.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us write the one by one. If you're talking about one by one, so what will be the sigma bond formed by head to head overlapping? Formed by
Yes, sir.
formed by head to head overlapping. Head to head
Oh,
overlapping. Formed by head to head overlapping of orbital. Overlapping of
yes, sir.
orbital. This is the point. Okay. Here they are talking about formed by, how it is going to form. Formed by side overlapping of orbital. Side by side overlapping of orbital. Side by side overlapping of orbital. Overlapping of orbital. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second one. Second one. This is a stronger bond. They are saying this is a stronger bond. This is a stronger bond. As a stronger bond as overlapping is stronger. As overlapping is proper. Proper overlapping is there now. You can see here, if you see this overlapping, complete proper overlapping is there. That is why it is strong. You can see here, this is one, and here is completely combining. Here you can see, so proper overlapping there, so this is going to be strong. Here is, this is the weak bond. This is going to be weak bond. Weak bond. As overlapping is less, or you can say not proper. Proper overlapping is not possible. Okay, proper overlapping is not possible because side by side is there na. So that is why. So you can make the diagram here, how much very less amount of area is going to be shared here. So that is why it is the weak bond. Weak bond, right? Third point, electron density is maximum. They are saying electron density is maximum between the atom. Why? Because where is the, suppose if it is the, okay, carbon atom, it is carbon atom. So here this darkened zone is, they are explaining the electron density. So between the atom, electron density high. And here is third in this one, electron density. They are saying electron density is maximum above and below the plane. Above and below the plane. Above and below the plane. Can you be able to understand? Here is the electron density upside, and here is electron density downside. Can you understand this point? Hello, Janab, audible to you? Are you listening, Janab? Your voice is not coming at all. Janab, can you hear me? Janab, can you hear me? Hello, Janab,
Sir,
audible?
I could hear you.
Okay, thank you. So third
But
point.
sir, actually some problem with my mic. That's why.
Okay, okay. So can you please make a note?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, good. So one more point is there that is very important point. Okay. So that you please write down this one important point. Here I'm erasing the last point. Last point I'm writing on the top here. So please make that also. What is the last point? Fourth point. Free rotation. They are saying free rotation in sigma bond possible. Free rotation in sigma bond possible. Free rotation in sigma bond possible. Okay,
Yes, sir.
possible. Here is rotation not possible because up and down both side this is shared na. So here is fourth point, no free rotation, no free rotation, no free rotation in pi bond possible, pi bond possible. Okay, this is what the answers. Janab, you people, your parents are businessmen or the servicemen?
Yes, sir.
Your parents are businessmen or the servicemen?
Both, sir.
Acha, both. Okay.
Yeah.
It's
Side business. Yeah.
okay. Okay. Good. 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 Good.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. So it's not like that you are suffering from money problem, financial problem, na?
No, sir. Currently, my dad will come now from like he stays abroad.
Oh, okay. 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 Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So he will come back.
Okay. Okay.
So we
So
started our business.
okay. Good. 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 Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like because of our education and all, he is coming back. Actually, we came back here means like we came here in 2019 because of my studies. So me and my mother and my brothers are here only.
Okay. Okay. And father.
So my father will come this year.
Okay. Your father is in Dubai only.
No, no, Riyadh, Saudi.
Okay. So. Mhm.
Yes,
So when father will come, he will make business here in the Hyderabad only.
yes, sir, mostly.
Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, all the best. So you also study so that you can help your parents also, na? See,
Yes, sir, I do help them.
because they are sacrificing. How sacrificing is staying
Yes,
abroad.
sir.
Okay, for you people only.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a great thing. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
hmm.
Done, sir. I wrote this.
Okay. One more girl is studying with me, right? Her name is
Yes, sir.
Mihika, but he is joining from
Okay.
abroad only.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. I'll share her video to you. Okay.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay. So bye, Jana. We'll study in the next class, na? Remaining portion. Yes.
Bye, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Thank you.